Hey guys, in today's video, I'd like to show you an idea that I came up with last night. I know a lot of you guys have got the Neo 2. Now, if you did not get one of the bundles and you just got the drone by itself and you're planning on flying this using your phone as your controller, I've seen so many people walking around, and I did it myself yesterday. I went out, I was trying to control the drone and shoot a video at the same time. Trust me, it is a challenge, but I got an idea for you guys. Check this out. So I had this neck harness from a while back, and I've talked about this in quite a few of my videos, okay? So basically the way this works is just a neck harness, just goes around your neck, pretty much like this, and you are able to connect your phone to it. So the advantage to that is you could connect your phone like so, and then you would use this to support the phone, and you could use this to control the drone, and you'd still be able to somewhat have your hands free while you're doing it at the same time. And if for some reason you need your phone for something magnetically, you can just remove it. No problems there. So I think this will be a great solution, a very budget-friendly solution for a lot of people who are trying to control the drone just using their phones. And in some situations, it may even give you better viewability of the screen, because you can kind of adjust this, as you guys can see here, pretty much however you need to. So if you're dealing with some reflections or things like that from bright sunlight, this could be a great option. So I just want to do a quick video this morning showing you guys an optional way that you can use something like one of these neck harnesses. Now, it does not have to be the exact same one that I have here, but you do want something with a pretty robust neck band so that you don't get a lot of jitter. But for the most part, you know, it's going to work. And another way that this will benefit you guys is for those that are recording audio through your phone into the drone. Okay, so this gives you a central place to be able to place your phone, and if you're connecting an additional microphone to it, like something like the Mic 2, the Mic Mini, the Mic 3, whatever the case is going to be, you'll still be able to have control of that, have access to all of the functions through the through the DJI Fly app. So I think this is going to be a great win. So hopefully, you know, this video has been helpful to you guys. If you have any additional questions regarding anything that I've said in this video, or maybe you have some ideas that I haven't thought of yet, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Ring that notification bell. Let me know what you guys think about these style videos. I plan on doing little short videos like this, you know, a couple of times a week, you know, just with, you know, random ideas that I come up with, and hopefully it'll be something that'll benefit you guys. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.